Okay, so basically you search up genius.com, you scroll all the way down, you click jobs, and you click Lyric Associates. This job is the easiest job, and you get paid $15 to $30 an hour. And all you're doing is translating lyrics when a new song comes out. That's it. So I just have to put y'all on or whatever. So yeah, y'all see it. Let me know if this works for you.
How to make money on TikTok. First, you must have at least 10K. Then switch to a pro account. You can find how to do that on YouTube. 1. Go to pro account and sign up for the Creator Fund. Once you do that, you can start making money. You make about 3 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. Not the greatest, but keep your views up and you'll be good. Let me know if you want me to do a better tutorial on my YouTube. Link in bio.
Learn how absolutely anyone can make 20K a month using YouTube. We're going to be making TikTok compilations. As you can see, it's very easy to get views in this niche. Now, TikTok compilations aren't directly monetizable through YouTube due to copyright sounds. However, you can monetize them using dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and other sources of monetization. If you want to learn more about those sources of monetization, check out Rich Guys on YouTube. I have a ton of videos that teach you how. But these compilations are pretty easy to make. All you have to do is go to hashtag on TikTok, find videos that are interesting, and compile them together in editing software. Then just upload to YouTube and you're done. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and also make sure to follow and like. To infinity and beyond!
Here's another stupid simple way to make money on Etsy. Go to Etsy.com and search printable table numbers. Look at all these different table numbers that are making money. This one right here has over 226 5-star reviews. But I'm sure you're wondering, how can I do this too? We're going to go over to canva.com. Click on create a design, custom design. Use the dimensions 5x7. Click on create a design. Alright, so after a lot of hard work, I made table 1. Click on the add page and do the next page. The cool thing with Canva is you can use all of these different free fonts. If you want to go the extra mile, you can download 1001 free fonts right into Canva and make even more. Also, you can change the colors to have different products to sell. Once you have your numbers, go up to download, and then you can either download it as a PNG or PDF. The final step is to create a shop over on Etsy and then upload these as digital downloads. When people buy your products, they will be able to download them instantly. Go here to start your last side hustle.
Making $1,000 on YouTube does not require you to have millions of views. You can very easily get 30,000, 50,000 views and still be making $1,000 a month. This is all possible because of something called RPM, which is your revenue per 1,000 views. And in this case, mine's $23 per 1,000 views. I get 100,000 views, I make essentially $2,300, or about $2,400. If you want to know how to increase this number here, follow for part 2.
Her mama a party girl, she just wanna have fun too. But I think that I love you.
Learn how anyone can make $32,000 a month using YouTube. We're going to be making videos for free with no investment about rain. The first step to do to get started is create a YouTube channel. After you've done that, you're going to head over to a free stock footage site. I like to use Pexels. Search up rainforest or rain and choose an appealing video. Now head over to a free stock sound website. I like to use zapsplat.com. Search for rain sounds and choose one of these. Now you're going to edit the footage and the sounds on top of each other and just loop it for 10 hours straight. Now upload it to YouTube and repeat once a week. Over on my YouTube channel called Rich Skies, I teach you exactly how to get a ton of views on these videos. So make sure to go check that out or click the link in my bio. Make sure to click that follow button as well as drop a like if this helped you out.